Hey, what's up, guys? Today, I'll teach you how to use the cross on the switch cross to set up a head kick. I'll also show you how I use it in a real-time sparring session. Make sure you watch until the end so you can master this technique. Let's get to it. Now, get into your fighting stance and keep your hands up. As you throw the cross, keep your head off the center line. Rotate your hips and shoulders, then return to your stance. Now, to throw the head kick, take a small step to the side. Lift your knee and chamber the kick. Keep your left hand up to protect your face. Extend your right hand for balance and maximum power. Then snap the head kick. Now, combine it together. Throw the cross while keeping your head off the center line. As soon as the cross lands, immediately fire the head kick. Switch cross and head kick. To throw the switch cross, use the same principle as the regular cross. Keep your head off the center line. Bring your lead leg back as you switch your stance. This turns your lead hand into the rear hand as your jab becomes a cross. That's why it's called a switch cross. Now, to throw the head kick, bring your lead leg back. Important detail, this is different from regular switch kick. In a regular switch kick, the switch kick is much smarter. For this head kick, you're bringing your lead leg all the way back before throwing the kick. That's what makes the head kick switch different from a regular switch. Now, combine it together. Throw the switch cross while keeping your head off the center line. As soon as the cross lands, immediately throw the head kick. Now that you know the mechanics, let me show how I actually land this combo in a live sparring session. That's how I use the cross and switch cross combo to open up opponents. If you want to keep sharpening your striking and tracking your progress with me, make sure to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next breakdown.